Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike, back with another video. Guest. We have the guest. Why wouldn't we have the guest? Hey, you. There you are. So, guys, I've been out here doing some work. Thought I started a film. Didn't. So, everything I just did, not recorded, but I'll show you the aftermath. Let's just say that came home the other night and the whole left side of my bike was all like dried up rust. Come to look at it, my chain was just a bit rusty from an accident, so therefore I have some chain and cable lubricant. Obviously this is for a bicycle, but you use what you got. So I grabbed that, I grabbed the rag, and let's just say my chain was fully black and rusty before I started this. Look at this baby now. You can even see engravings on the chain. Obviously she's still dirty. She's still a little dirty. But guys, this chain was literally completely black. And you can kind of see there's still some rust in here. But compared to what it looked like, man, big difference. So I went through the whole chain. I pretty much just kept lifting the rear end of the bike, spinning the tire. You can't see, obviously that's where I was spinning the tire to keep having the chain and cleaning it. So I did this all. Of course, didn't film any of it because like I just said, I thought I started the video, didn't start the video, of course. So the bike's done, chain's all money. But look at this. Look at this aftermath. This was a bright orange. So, you guys tell me if I actually did clean my chain or not. So, yeah. Which, by the way, obviously I'm going to get a chain lube and stuff that I should actually use. But this is technically still lubricant for your chain. I went crazy on it. I had something protected, so I didn't really spit it up on my rear tire. As you can see, it's all on the floor, but nothing's on my tire. I got nothing on the brakes, so just wanted to prevent that. But I'm gonna kind of just do a little speed shine over here just to clean up some of this dirtiness that I had left over and any rust. I tried to clean up most of it, but I guess I got it all because you guys I can't even show you any of it, but I'll set you guys up and I'm just gonna do a quick little speed shine on this Betsy and then the fun begins. And I left my tripod inside, so we're just gonna do this little POV, just a little spritz and a little cleaning just on this side for now. I'm not too concerned about getting this baby all cleaned up. Like I said, this is just because she was rusty from that chain sitting for a hot minute last season. You know, if you guys don't remember, I did get into an accident, so the bike did sit for a minute. But we out here, and we bringing her back to life day by day. Look at that already. Makes a big difference. Just a little speed shine. Look at her shining bright. I gotta get a new one of these because that's faded from the sticker, and then this is just, I don't know what it is, but it's icky. It does barely wants to come off. So this I want to replace this little chain guard. Get one of these in carbon fibre. I also want to get one of these in carbon because when I first bought the bike, somebody had a fishing line on the street and I caught it in my rear, whatever you want to call this. I caught it in my chain actually. So I'm lying. I caught it in my chain and it kept whipping and whipping and whipping and whipping from riding, and I didn't know, and it did that. And so now this needs to go. We need some carbon here. We need some carbon here. Maybe a little carbon everywhere, but yeah guys, that's gonna be that. I'm not gonna give you guys a cleaning video. You guys see me clean this bike multiple times, so I'm gonna get everything ready for the day, and we're gonna clean this up. I'm not gonna bore you guys, and we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go riding with the boys. Cause look at this. Oh my god, another gorgeous day out with a gorgeous pup and gorgeous clouds and no clouds. It's just gorgeous. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
How could I let them stop this when I'm already popping? Stopping and not being an option. Drop the roof, now I'm topless. Bad bitch and she topless. Back to the crib, get it poppin', yeah. Back to the crib, get it poppin'. Just a youngin' from the island. All of my brothers ain't wildin'. No whip, no mileage. Living this fast life like we don't even know what time is. Wasn't supposed to make it this far. I gotta find my way. Gotta make it to the top. I gotta find a way.
Guys, we all know the deal. It's gonna be loud because we're right by the surface road and the highway. But let's get Betsy a good old Jimmy Johnson. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go for a quick little 5, maybe 10-minute ride. Just want to make sure that everything's good with my chain. So that's what we're out here to do. And there's my dead end, baby. Let's go see the woman real quick. Wow. Yo, could all be in my head, boys, but the bike feels so much smoother. Alright, what's up, boys? We out here, we breaking Betsy's chain cleaning in, and we're just gonna go hop on the service road real quick. Just gonna stretch out a couple gears, see how she feels. I got some family coming over, so can't really do anything too long. Did anybody see that toaster oven over there? It's aqua green, blue, orange, red, something like that. Look at her. I don't know what it is, guys. Every time I take out this freaking DJI, I always see a toaster oven on wheels. So, I guess we filmed toaster oven on wheels. That's our channel. That's what we're about, boys. But, back to what I was saying. We're going to go hop on the service road. We're going to stretch a couple gears. I want to feel this chain out, make sure she's nice and lubricated. And then we're going to close the video out, boys. So, it's not going to be anything crazy. But, it's a video. And man, this chain definitely feels different. It feels so much smoother, bruh. Toaster oven, toaster oven. I like that. I wish I could still skate, my friend. I wish I could still skate after that dang accident. Oh yeah, baby. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Scooter Steve, duh. See how this girl feels now. Yo, if you guys hear me, this thing shifts A1 money, boy. It feels like a different bike. I'm not even gonna front. Third gear pull. Oh man. I gotta cut it out. I'm gonna get myself in trouble. I swear to God that this bike feels like a completely different beast now. That's it. That's all I'm saying. Okay, guys, that's all I'm saying. Alright, boys, we're gonna close the video out here. I'm sorry today it was a little bit of a different video, but you guys are gonna work with me. I'm doing 2 videos a week for y'all, so you're gonna get some different content. But we just cleaned up Betsy. We got her chain nice and shmoney, and now we're heading back home, boys. But we got a sunset to ride into. Oh man! But I just want to let you guys know that no matter what you want to do in this world, you can do it. You just gotta put your mind to it. You gotta be dedicated and obsessed with what you want, because if you really want it, you will want it, and you will be obsessed with it. So that's all I'm gonna say is, you guys really want something, go out there and get it. Don't wait for it to get handed to you. Don't wait for normal handouts, my friends. Just go and get it. You can. You just gotta put the work in. So guys, I love you, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace, boys.